Hey guys, MotorCarNut here, and today we're going to be replacing the valve cover. I'm just going to take it off, so if you guys want to replace it because it's leaking, watch this video. This is a 2012 Hyundai Tucson with the 2.4 liter. Okay, this is the multi-port fuel injected engine, not the direct injection engine, but they're all the same thing. Basically, they all fail the same way. Just a little recap. This is the 2.4. These engines are found in all the Hyundais and all the Kia models from 2.4 to 2 and the 2.0 turbo. It's a little bit different, but it's all basically the same head and blocks pretty much. All right, they all have that same failure with the crank. I have videos on that explaining why the cranks fail and how you can get a new engine. But there's certain things you have to do to your car when Hyundai tells you to bring them in for certain things. If you don't do those things and then your engine goes, they're not going to cover it. But anyway, this engine is from 2004 to the present, okay? And they had a lot of problems with, they still have problems. But mostly in the 2010 to 2015, 2017, 2010 to 2016. But, you know, it could be more than that. This is similar to the Mitsubishi engine, the 4B12. Usually in the European markets, same thing with the Peugeot and the Citroen. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is this engine, there's a lot of things that go wrong with it. So I'm going to take it apart little by little. And as I do, you can learn where sensors go. You can stop the video. All right. We're taking the valve cover off on this video. And then we're going to continue from there. All right. So the first thing you're going to do is you're just going to pull up on this cover and take it off. I'll show you what it looks like. There's little rubber grommets right here. And right here, it has a little spring catch. That goes on this thing here, and the rubber mounts here. You just pull it off. All right, you take off the oil cap. You take out the dipstick. Well, you don't have to take out the dipstick. I'm sorry. I'm taking it out because I'm going to be doing everything else to this. But anyway, all right, so the next thing you want to do is disconnect the wiring to the ignition coils. All right, these pull up, and then you just push down on this, and they come right out. Now, you pull them up like this, and you push down, and do it like this, and it comes right out. All right, do all four. You got a 10 millimeter bolt here. You take that out and take out all four coils and plugs. All right, I'll do that right now and get back to you. Okay, so now, after we do the coils, there's a 10 millimeter here and here to move the harness out of the way. Disconnect this hose. What else? Over here, there's an electric connector to the sensor over here. You can just pry it up, you know, take it off over there. Right there. Pry them up here, just to move it out of the way. And now we have 10 millimeters all on the perimeter. Any in the middle? Yes, over here too. You have them over there, there. So what I just told you, that's what I'm going to take off right now, and then we're going to continue. Also, there was another PCV valve hose right here. So if you look here, in here, all right, you can see you have to get those out over there, there, and on the back side over there, if you look in the mirror. All right. Okay. And in here, you see 1, 2, 3, and there's one over in the back over there, 4. So, all the perimeter screws and the ones in the middle, and she should pop right out now. So now, you may have to pry it up, especially if it was never taken off. Just be careful when you use something. Do it very, you know, gingerly. Don't like break it, because then you'll have to break you'll break the cover. This is plastic, and that'll be a pain in the neck. You have to get a new one. All right. And do it around, and it'll come off. And then it's got the gasket in there. So stuck on there. All right. And that's it. See, get an idea. All right, especially if yours is leaking. You want to replace it. It's easy. These ones are the ones that go on the channel. They rarely leak, but you know, they dry rot. They could leak. And especially these where the spark plugs go. You want to make sure inside the hole, we can see it, that there's no oil in each one, because if you have oil in there, you can have a misfire, and it's the cause. These actually, they come off, they peel off. You want to reseal them with new ones in case you're taking it off because of that problem. And that's how you do that. All right. I'm going to be starting to take a lot of other things off this engine, so if you want to, you know, keep an eye out for those videos, do so. All right, guys, MotorCarNut, please subscribe, hit that like button. Any questions, leave them below pertaining to the video. I answer all my questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for all the feedback, comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.